The stitches for rounds 14 to 16 are the same. In rounds 14 to 16, work 1 chain stitch, 54 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch for each round. We'll demonstrate round 14. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet into stitch. There will be 54 single crochets in total. Place a marker in the first stitch. Let's continue. Please finish the rest single crochets by yourself. There will be 54 single crochets in total. "54 single crochets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 14 is done. Please finish rounds 15 to 16 by yourself. Work 1 chain stitch, 54 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch for each round. Round 16 is done. Let's insert the safety eyes. Check the position. We'll insert safety eyes between rounds 12 and 13, spacing 2 eyes 8 stitches apart, counting from the bottom. Then put on safety back pieces. The eyes are completed. In round 17, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 7 single crochets, 1 decrease for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The first set. Work 7 single crochets. Mark the first stitch. Continue to work 6 more single crochets. Seven single crochets are done. Next, work 1 decrease to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. We'll make the decrease through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. A regular stitch, namely a V-shape, has 2 loops. The loop close to us is a front loop. The loop far from us is a back loop. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. There are 3 loops and hook now. Yarn hook and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops and hook. Yarn hook and pull the yarn through both loops and hook. 1 decrease is done. Decrease is to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. There are 2 ways to make a decrease. Method 1. Insert hook through the front loops of 2 adjacent stitches. The loop close to us is the front loop. Hook the yarn and pull up loop through the 2 front loops on hook. Yarn on the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a decrease. Work 7 single crochets and 1 decrease as 1 set. Keep working 5 more sets. The second set, work 7 single crochets. Seven single crochets are done. Next, work 1 decrease. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. There are 3 loops and hook now. Yarn hook and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops and hook. Yarn hook and pull through both loops and hook. 1 decrease is done. The third set. Work 7 single crochets. Seven single crochets are done. Work 1 decrease. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. There are 3 loops and hook. Yarn hook and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops and hook. Yarn hook and pull the yarn through both loops and hook. 1 decrease is done. The fourth set. Work 7 single crochets. Next, work 1 decrease. The fifth set. Work 7 single crochets. Next, work 1 decrease. The sixth set. Work 7 single crochets. Next, work 1 decrease. 6 sets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 17 is done.